Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing one important question from trigonometry. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Solution. I am taking LHS. What is LHS? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. By using this, I want to prove RHS. See here, these two expansions can be written by using the fundamental A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So expansion of sin A plus cosecant A whole square. In place of A is sin A and in place of B is cosecant A. A square sin square A plus B square cosecant square A plus 2AB, 2 sin A into cosecant A plus second one also same as A plus B whole square. In place of A is cos A, in place of B is secant A. A square cos square A plus B square secant square A plus 2AB, 2 cos A secant A, 2 cos A secant A. Sin square A, I am writing sin square A and cos square A one group. Sin square A plus cos square A. And this remaining cosecant square A. Then next to secant square A. Then next to 2 sin A cosecant A plus 2 cos A secant A. Sin square A plus cos square A, its value 1 plus I am writing cosecant square A 1 plus cot square A plus secant square A is 1 plus tan square A plus 2 into sin and cosecant are reciprocals. So the product of sin and cosecant A is 1 plus 2 into cos and secant are reciprocals. The product of cos A and secant A is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. It can be written as 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is RHS.